Okay, everybody, look at these. I want you to look at this pour. This is our special Mrs. Buttersworth. Lord have mercy. Fried smoked chicken wings. Y'all, so good. Try this out. Thank you, Stovetop Cook. Kisses. See you guys. Peace and love. Okay, here are some things we're going to need for our fried hickory chicken wings. Now, this is a Stovetop Smoker, and I'm going to prep this by putting these hickory chips in the bottom, and then we're going to smoke these for 20 to 25 minutes in here, and then we're going to quick fry them. And I love this Mrs. Buttersworth butter glaze that I'm going to put on top of it. All right, now our chicken wings have been marinating overnight. This is a house seasoning that I made. And all this is what I always use. It's garlic pepper, onion pepper, a little bit of seasoned salt. And this one is everything in it, but it has more paprika. So that's what it has been marinating in. All right, let's get started to prep the smoker. Okay, I'm going to start by lining the smoker with foil. Bring this down. I'm doing this just to help with the cleanup, because the cleanup can be pretty bad, because all of that smoke is going to cause everything to get kind of jet black. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're going to put some wood chips on the bottom. Doesn't have to be a whole lot, because this is just going to be indoor, and these are dry, they're not wet. I'm going to line this up. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. Okay, next we're going to put our chicken on. I'll be right back. Okay, so our smoker is all ready. Now I'm going to turn this on to medium-low. And you all, this is going to smoke for 20 minutes without the chicken. And then I'll come back and put the chicken in. I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, everybody, the smoker is ready. See all the smoke. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start, let me open this window up just in case. I'm going to start layering our wings in here. And I'm going to let these cook, or not cook, but just smoke for about 20 to 25 minutes, just checking on them and keeping the lid closed. So I'm going to go ahead and layer these in here, and I'll let you see what it looks like when we come back, okay? You all take a look at this beautiful smoke coming out of here. Now it has been 20 minutes, but I'm going to let it go for a little longer because I want it to get to a certain point. But I will definitely make sure you know how long I don't want to take the lid off yet because it's in the process of smoking. And I'll be right back. Thank you for watching, you guys. All right, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am getting ready to show you. Ooh, boy, look at that. Beautiful. Our wings have actually smoked for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And they are so beautiful. Look at them. They're so beautiful. So now we're going to put them in some hot oil. And you know, I saw this done by that beautiful lady on Stovetop Kisses. So this is inspiring me to try this way. And we don't want to crowd the pan. I'm gonna let these fry up and let them get all nice and crispy, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm finished with all of them. Okay, I'll be back. You all, I've got to do this again because these turned out so good. Look at this sauce that's cooking. Stovetop Kisses. Thank you so much for this idea. I just didn't make enough of them. All right, next scene, I'm going to plate them for you. All right, peace and love. Hey, welcome to all of our new family members. Thank you for stopping by here. All right, I'll see you shortly. Peace and love.